back with another video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this hard granny square. This is one of the 4th card game, and also you can use it for any crafts you like and for valentines. Let's go for it. Start with magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your 2 fingers and make an X, and then insert your hook under one side of the X, then over and grab and make a magic ring. Then make 2 chain, and now we have 1 double crochet. 3 chain as 1 double crochet. Then make 11 double crochet into the ring. Wrap the yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the circle, bring the yarn out and pull through 2, pull through 2. This is how we make double crochet. We make 11 double crochet with the 3 chain at the first. Total we have 20 double crochet into the magic ring as a round 1. We can close the hole in the middle by pulling on the loose end. Join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the first. Then make 1 chain and make 1 double crochet into the 2nd stitch. Then make 6 treble stitch into the same stitch. For the treble stitch, we must 2 times wrap our yarn around hook, insert the hook into the stitch and bring the yarn out and pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2 loops. Make 6 treble stitch into the 2nd stitch. Make 2 treble stitch into the next stitch. 1 double crochet into the next stitch. 2 double crochet into the next stitch. 1 treble stitch into the next stitch. 1 chain and 1 treble stitch into the same stitch that we made 1 treble stitch. Then 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 treble stitch into the next stitch, and 6 treble stitch and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 treble stitch and 1 double crochet, and then a slip stitch to the chain that we made in the first of the row. Then bring the yarn out and cut the yarn. Now we should fasten off and hide the tail of the yarn. This is the way how I fasten off the yarn to ending my rows. and hide the tail of the yarn between the stitches. Here is our heart. Now we're gonna form the square around the heart, and this will have many stitches of varying heights. Insert the hook in the first and work on back loop, make a chain and then make 2 chain as 1 double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet and pull them together into the next stitch, make 1 treble stitch, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochet 2 together, and into the next stitch make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. Don't forget that we work on back loops. Into the next stitch make 1 half double crochet and 1 half double crochet into the next stitch 2, and into the next stitch make 1 single crochet and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 treble stitch into the next stitch, 2 chain and 2 treble stitch into the next stitch. One double crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 chain, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Look, we don't work on chain space, half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 treble stitch into the next stitch, 2 chain, 2 treble stitch into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, again 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 chain and 2 double crochet into the next stitch, now make 2 double crochet 2 together, 1 and 2. Now pull through 3 loops, then make 1 treble stitch into the last stitch and join with the slip stitch to our first stitches, and then make 3 chain as 1 double crochet and make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches, and in the corner make 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, and if you want you can make the 2 treble stitch, 2 chain, 2 treble stitch in the corners. You must do this diagram in this round, and if you want you can keep going along a few more rounds and make the square bigger. As I said to you, you can use this pattern for anything you like: bags, cardigans, bouquet sleeves or anything. And if you want, you can use the heart for your cardigans, blankets, only the hearts. It will be very beautiful. Don't forget that you must make one double crochet into the chain space in the bottom of the heart. Just keep going and make one double crochet into the each stitches you have, and in the corners make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. And in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first. Here is our end of a square. Cut the yarn and fasten off. I do this by the needle. I pull my needle under the second stitch, bring the yarn out and insert it into the first chain here, and then in the wrong side hide it between the stitches and then cut the yarn. That's all for this video. Here is my granny heart square. Now we should have 13 stitches on each side of the square with 2 chains in each corner. For around my heart, I want to make one row of a slip stitch. Start from the middle of heart and into the each stitch I make one slip stitch. If you want, you don't have to do this row, and I want to show you how to make this way to make beautiful my heart. Make one slip stitch into the each stitch. Even middle stitch, and for other side do this the same. And few stitches left. The last one, bring the yarn out, cut the yarn and take my yarn to the wrong side and hide it between the stitches, and after that cut the tail of the yarns. Done. Here is my granny squares. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please leave like, comments, and do subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. I made a bag from this square and three more cards square. If you didn't watch them yet, you can find the tutorial of all of these grannies by click the link that I placed for you on the screen. You can make many crafts by these grannies, as I said to you. I hope you enjoyed this video as I did. Happy crocheting. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.